Shoot for the stars, shoot for the stars. Shoot for the stars.
Hey, what's up, student? It's Mr. Nation and Latuma players. Welcome to the Full Podcast Sports Edition, Episode 8. We are coming at you live at the blog, Electronic Solutions. And if you want to use these podcasting studios, you can send your email at admin@electronicsol.com. I am not alone. I am here with Somizi no Squealy. Obviously, I am in charge. We are fearless. We are not confused. But Ubralo sekaleni but decide matches today.
Sure.
So the show kuyavuma. So Ubra by Kalen, Mr. King BK King Buko, all the way from ngaphandleni koManende City.
Tanzania FM.
No, all he plays
Original.
Yeah. No, not he works Don.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mtanzania wa 8.
Oh, masinesendaweni enye ndicuma uyarenda kwa uzalelwe pha?
Nah, anzalwa hapa.
Usuka phi original?
Original yo, Mount Frey.
Oh, Mount Frey. Ufike somdala.
Afike semdala kakhulu.
Oh, ndingazi because intshebe zethu. Asidibani ngotibala umdantsana intshebe. Ubona umuntu eneqhaqa elapha.
And ndiyabona manje jokezi izini.
Yabo yangazi basi originator. Yabona zikufumana lamafutha orkandi kodwa still sikadibani. Otherwise ugrand bro.
Mnandi bafethu wamagilasi highway otherwise ne grand.
Hayi sesiyibona into yakho namagila nathi sigrand sifana nezakota zizepok simnando ngekota from squid ugrand.
Ndiyamosha.
Ubonile ubhizinesi galofa weekend.
Hayi cima. Phuma
Uye wayibukela noyibukela le match sofumana iperspective yomuntu ongaphakathi in the stadium.
Yeah, Grootman.
Ugrand otherwise.
Hayo ngento ihlangene Grootman. Kanti andinanzathi ndigrand wamagila waphi.
Oh, kwatheni kanti aninanto uphekayo pha?
Ndona nibhizinisi.
Aninamnqambula, aninalusu,
Specialize
aninazinhloko.
ngantoni?
Ninantoni kwatheni?
Ndithanga amanqindi thina.
Champion pha?
Sine-champions.
Kuba champion pha kwatheni?
Andiyazi boxing.
Yeah.
Hayi buza mna ka12 kubizela sibe 10.
Sembi ke ngoku.
Akubizela ngegate uphathe awunayo igate. Awusibili kaloku. Uthembisa abantu. Okay, azathi dibetho ngoku.
Please.
Samncedisa.
Oh lingathembeli londo uthembele ngomuntu apha xa isenzeka into man kanti bengathethe lihlobo. It was a weekend that was full of drama, especially Saturday. Actually we were coming off the last time we shot because of the Arrows and the Sundowns.
Oh yeah.
I wanted us to start from there and then get into Nedbank. The weekend, Soweto Giants. One was facing SuperSport, another one was facing Stellenbosch. On the following day, Marumo Gallants, beat Durban City, aka Maritzburg United. So I think we should start from there and then we can go to the next one.
Benteni ngoni.
Butheza ubethwa.
Benteni ngomanqo.
Butheza ubethwa.
I-point.
No.
Momba uyasijinja. Uthembakala kwa
We
umntu.
frustrated the Sundowns. They got a point. Their first draw of the season.
Yeah, abazophinde badlale ne-Arrows.
No, they are done. 4 points.
What did you make of the game?
The game was good. It was still a lot of mistakes from the ref. Officiating was poor again. It's something that we've been crying about last season at 2024, 2025. goal ka Peter Shalulile that was overruled or by offside. So Sundown should have won the game. Should have won the game.
So okay, that means winning amaqhinga.
It's bro,
Benefiting FC.
benefiting.
Nah, that's football, man. Like to add on to what UPK is talking about, the issue you're referring, it's a big issue in South African football at this current moment. I hear Uketin, Minister of Sports, busy talking about VAR, they're coming with VAR. I think Sikala Pezul, you understand?
Yeah.
You can't be having amateur referees refereeing a professional league.
Yeah.
You understand? Those people need babezi professionals. Ibe ngumsebenzi wabo full time. I don't think anywhere upper in the world of football you would find or referee who are not referees on a full time basis. We're bragging and saying the PSL is one of the biggest leagues in the continent and stuff like that, but we still have a referee who are not fully employed by the league. Now we want to come and bring VAR. I think per game it costs like 70,000 rand.
Yeah.
You understand? Two, how are you going to have VAR with these stadiums that don't have
Security proper.
not even the security, but in terms of we beka la VAR, bazayibeka kanjani?
Yeah.
You understand? I feel like the focus should be on making referees professional first.
Okay.
Before you come and bring in a VAR. You understand? Because now, if you're saying you're bringing a VAR, the referees, even quite the ex-referees, ababazi analyst ngoku, ufika interpretation of laws as a football, it differs. You understand? But it's the same laws. Andifuna ubiza amagama abantu. I want to mention people's names. So for me, that's the issue that I have. We can't be saying we want to bring VAR into South African football. Yeah, there's a lot of mistakes, but we need to make sure that the refs are well taken care of.
Okay.
Yeah,
Let's move on to Mgabelo. Kale Parades. Dlala the Super Sport.
I didn't really watch that game.
It was a good game, but as I said last week, our Pirates are struggling when they are playing away. Okay. So the game pushes to the extra time. We saw SuperSport was fighting very well there. It was a
Sukamanja.
Suka
from
Manja.
Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, bruh. But get big up we Pirates for showing up the character, and they show us, but they need that game. Unfortunately, SuperSport currently they don't have a coach who says Tendini because service suspension.
It's just one game.
Oh, there's left with one more.
There's another one. So it was Arenza on the bench. I'm not sure by any impact, but for sure any impact with players. But Orlando Pirates made it. Bakwazile controller ukuyiphumelela the game. Even though SuperSport was throwing attacks after attacks. So, but they did manage to win. And now
the second match to go on penalties when it bank up.
Yeah.
And if look like save.
It was difficult, bro.
Yeah,
I save your mlenze. Msimbe besemkile pa. Come dikbande nothing else.
I'm not having an issue with the patience. Nah, come on. Because I remember when we got to PE, I watched the penalties for Nane. And that kick, not even my son can kick like that. That guy is a professional footballer.
Yeah.
Not to say I'm bashing him or whatever, but come on, gents. You mean to tell me we don't have a striker playing NFD or APC Mutsepe who's better than that guy? You're being paid to play football.
Yeah.
You practice penalty kicks. You go and kick a penalty against 10. No ways. Nah. I have an issue with that guy. No, like on a serious note, I have an issue with that guy.
Also, ngokubekudlala eNansika, you were on your way.
Yeah, to PE.
Sure. Okay. And then otherwise overall Orlando Pirates advances to the semi-finals.
Yeah.
Do you see them going to the final?
I think they got a big chance. Playing at home at Orlando Stadium, I don't see any chance for Marumo Gallants to
Sanoba sitshwatyusha
Don't forget what happened.
2-0.
No,
Don't
bruh.
forget what happened.
Now they are going to Orlando Stadium now.
Escotin.
Escorting. So I
Abethe Marumo Gallants ngo7 or 8 ntondoni.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes. But maybe it's happy at home.
Oh,
Orlando
and
Stadium.
then ngobe phinda badlala away kuba tshwatyushwayo
So
ngo2-0.
I'm giving Pirates to chances of bayofika kwi-final. Of course, Maromo will fight. Players zakhona.
Marumo naye seyisuka ku-final.
They won it 2020.
Sindonga as well. So they have a good squad, a good attacking team as well. Maromo Gallants. I think.
Bawela Marumo man.
As Kaizer Chiefs.
But iSundowns izawudlala nePirates ngolengecawa.
Yeah, on Sunday. Yeah.
Cha ingxaki ngokula to be announced wabo wesekhukhune lontikayo
Yeah.
because if bebedlalile badlale nePirates ikhona zibekwe Chiefs apha hayi but yeah, wishful thinking continue.
So Pirates, I think they will go through. Then the next assignment is between Sekhukhune United and Mamelodi
Sundowns,
Sundowns.
yes.
Kaizer Chiefs has already won. Ilinde winner between the Sundowns and Sekhukhune. Relaxile, Joe. But I know I've seen abantu on social media. They're all already giving Sekhukhune United. I mean Sundowns a win.
Over Sekhukhune.
Kaizer Chiefs will play against
Sundowns.
Sundowns in the semis. But that's not the case. Now they have a coach, a new coach, Eric Tinkler,
Eric Tinkler.
who also know how to win cups with South African
Eric
football.
Tinkler kaloku was the under uRulan iMamelodi Sundowns first defeat the last
Yeah.
game ngokuba phakamisa inantsika yabo bebethwe ngeEric
Ayifumene
Tinkler
ngu-Eric
ku-Cape
Tinkler.
Town City.
And he also has won the MTN 8, won a Telkom knockout. I think the Nedbank as well. I'm not sure. But Zingapi,
Not the Nedbank.
Not the
The
Nedbank.
MTN is A1 ekapeni.
yeah. But he know how to win the cups. So it's not going to be easy task for Sundowns.
Because they have a new coach as
Yeah,
well.
they have a new
Njengoba bestrugglishile kumanqoba because he was the new coach of the
Exactly,
Arrows. So
exactly.
uyabhideka uKhadoso kuba andimazi lo muntu umtsha bawuzana ngona for the most part.
And also, I'm always saying the players, they want to buy faith to the coaches. Because, you know, basi isizini yesiphelweni. So, coach might say that I still need him. Ndinazo plans for some player till, you know. So, Kaizer Chiefs, yona played very well. Winile, a buy. But, Loro. Shilo Shangshashega. That game was it was a game of mistakes from officiating it.
Yeah.
Both Kaizer Chiefs and Stellenbosch. Unfortunately, they lost Stellenbosch.
Yes.
And whenever they lost Stellenbosch, they lost everything, Bona. They even lose the tempo of the game because once you score kubo, kulandela elinye goal. You know, you remember we final bedlala Pirates. The Pirates scored a goal. And they was busy complaining and scored another one.
Yeah, kulomcomplaino.
Kulomcomplaino law. So
But the last goal was sure. It was a beautiful goal, that one.
it was a beautiful goal. But if you can, that game, as I said, it was a lot of mistakes from officiating Zeto. So I'm not sure if they are proud of what they did. I don't blame Stevie Parker, but also players are complaining, and I hope PSL will attend that. They almost beat the ref.
But the
If
problem
players
is,
are Stellenbosch.
Mamela Brawam, into endikaya ngayo yonke le wayne is that kufocuswa kwela goal lesibini.
Yeah.
Yabo likaMoti.
Yeah.
They don't want to say bana khona late.
Traore.
Yeah.
Pushing
Yaphinda.
Serena.
I think it's been an offense yayo yokuqala futhi leya.
yeah,
But nothing. Ayifumenanga red card.
Yeah.
Bani le ikhona le pushe uNansika
Matlou.
uDupreez.
Oh, yeah.
Gogobe
Umaloyisane.
Yeah. Umaloyisane, yeah.
imthamsweni nje bibale ungafika iqala kunong waye wapha
Sure.
nothing happened.
Yeah.
I-chances eziyi-2 ebekumele bufumane i-penalty kuzo uDupreez khange kwenziwe nix ngalonto kuthiwe play on.
Yeah.
Abazibali ezowe zonke.
Yeah.
Yabona kwa City it was poor altogether.
Yeah, it was
Then
poor.
ke you are not saying it Chiefs benefited. Uthi altogether.
It was all together.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, Stellenbosch,
Got the wrong end of the stick.
baluzile, and
Yeah.
they don't see ezinto we players aba benze intoni bona. Yeah, well, so that's an unfortunate part of football.
Futhi
No,
uphawe na inside.
He was in the house.
Bekunjani atmosphere?
It was great atmosphere. It was pegged, you know. Because I remember Sifike when the kwenzeka penalty.
Yo.
Kwenzeka penalty because there was some commotion man outside a stadium to an extent, but that's why I'm always skeptical in the stadium.
Standard.
Yeah. When it comes to big games, because there was a situation where Bayern were pushing to go inside
Yeah, I
without
saw that.
tickets. Yeah, I understand. So that's why I'm always say I have a fear of the big games coming to Kwelkalale because we don't know how to manage the situation as in Japan. But altogether, it was a great atmosphere, stadium, great football displayed. The refereeing issue, I even asked myself, but is there VAR in South Africa now? Because there was a push ku Sage Stevens by George, because I remember after I came, we went and just chat Namachita, watch one, but I know there was a push. You understand? So the situation is in Japan, they're not doing good for South African football. But take nothing away from the game. The game was good.
Yeah, it was good.
Game was good. Thabo Cele proved he's a great signing. And I love the combination yakhe with Nkosi Mpilo Ngcobo. They played very well. You know, given him Simango, he was out for a while not playing. Came in, did well with Miguel as much as he scored their own goal. Dove, Milson did well also. You know,
Friend yakho.
yeah, he did well.
Yeah,
Unike
He
hug
did
ne
well. He
go
did
after
well.
big
He
game.
did well. He did well. I understand.
Ditsho qoka nombona yo lobe yatswina bukhona.
No, he did well.
No, he
outside.
played
He
well.
did well. You know,
Yeah.
And we never really got the chance to talk about him on that episode where he played and showed up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because it's not easy when you get injured. You don't play football for almost 8 months. On top of it, you get deregistered. You know, you just go to training. Some players lose interest and start doing things outside.
We are
football.
strong.
You know, he came back.
No,
He's
he came
doing well. You know.
No, Frosler was out for some time. Frosler.
Yeah.
Buya naye, wabuya
So
noko.
even Coach Kato also press conference said at least now there's a bit of a balance in that position, in left back. You know, so
Coach Kados.
your man.
Yabonakala ngadiyelo leshi. Noma khangikhala. Ufuna uthetha.
Chef Napi.
Chef Dab. He alluded, but no, he's came in. Uyadlala kahle, and big ups to Chiefs, man. They playing well, but that's a short, man. You know,
Yeah.
there's in there because there was a time where Stellenbosch was on top of them. You know, and no Stellenbosch. But I feel like that goal that was allowed, it killed the spirit. The players of Stellenbosch
course,
because
Also beseliphelile
Liphelile
nexesha.
ixesha, your mind now is switched on, but no, we're going to extra time.
extra.
You understand? And then an incident like that happens, you're like, oh.
And the assistant ref
Ebe
as
uthini?
well
Okay,
gave them a
understand.
bit of hope because he raised the flag.
Yeah.
And
But what
then
ebe raise on what grounds?
It was a
Ebe
foul.
sithi offside
he
and
saw, he saw the foul.
saw the foul.
He saw the foul.
Okay.
And then he was consulted by Urev.
Okay.
And then
Ureferee yena uthe
Community center kaloku.
The
Oh,
ref-
ligoli leli.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wahamba uyoqonda pha kwenzeka
Kwenzeka
ntoni?
ntoni?
Yes.
Hama ndicinga fanele uba ndibona ifoul pha.
Yeah.
Fanele nibe ndiphayana mna kho foul ligoli leya. So
And when it happened, now, the first thing that we looked at was the official, the assistant.
Yeah.
Jemba we look like, Phakamise flag.
See.
They understand. So Lando, it killed the spirit Salamachita, as you saw the next 3 to 8 minutes played after that.
Yeah.
baye bahambela ntoni ke ngoku xa bekuphelelwe sispirit bonke bayongena pha epalini.
They're looking for an equalizer because
So that they can go to extra time.
They were like you say. I don't blame Usage for going up there.
Yeah.
Keepers do that when the time is done.
Yeah,
it's the last
bayisa
kick,
bekuthiwa
you know.
phela.
And I feel like Uchapa could have done better. Club ball.
Yeah.
Instead of using his left foot to kick the ball. Yeah,
Control.
ebefuna uyibuyisela back into the box.
To the-
Could have-
yeah.
Could have tripped the ball as I said to you, stronger foot, I whistle back boxing. But
Pressure,
a lapse
and
of
you have to-
concentration
yeah.
at that time, we are loser. So it happened. Happy for Obrigado, or Scorer, you know.
That was beautiful.
The changes that Nabi made, bringing
Yeah.
in Georgie, bringing in Umtu, bringing in Umfundo. Who else came in, manje?
Leyana ubuya nini Dube phela in 6 weeks ngo.
He's back to training. He's back at training. He's back at
So
training.
xa sidlala ne-Sundowns uzabe khona.
I don't know. It depends because
Yeah, it will depend. The rehabilitation, it will take long. sometimes.
Ashley Tupre is doing well there.
Yeah.
He's doing well. But, Lilepo was nowhere to be found on the day.
But nje la penalty la biza ungena lapho umbonile bese
You know, obiza ungena siyazi.
bra wam la bhola baba ngekho sasandla bangayiqhambe kuya yanginatha lo.
Yeah, like the reason why I'm saying that, like he has been giving like top performances week in, week out.
Yeah.
The last
But
games.
he was not in the
Played very
game. Think of Fawaz Basadin showed the abilities zakhe, you know. But hey, ndonda odlalela.
Asinomthatha na Basadini.
Basadin is living. Look at the way. You know, there's one thing I love about Stellenbosch. They prepare. You understand? Omeka Mtaka gets more game time at Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
So for me, I feel like they're preparing him for that position when Fawaz leaves at the end of the season.
Sure.
Yeah, I understand. So yeah, man. Let's like I said Chiefs is going to win the cup.
Yeah.
And I'm still uncheeky.
Uthini man?
Uncheeky. Chiefs is gonna win the Nedbank.
And yo unapha bunoyiwina bra.
Jack.
The grand.
I understand.
Ah.
That tether on the scala. The first from
My thing is ne.
Nedbank.
Yeah.
Noba unapha some comparison uAtazwane.
Sure.
Nontseki no
Previous coaches.
zonke ezi the last 5 coaches the Kaizer Chiefs zonke the last 5 zange yafika ku semis ze Nedbank
Okay.
ba
No, it
not the last 5
no, it being
uHunt zange afike uKelvin zange afike
Yeah.
uAta zange afike uNtseki zange afike uBaxter zange afike 5 nix abanda comparison nabo yamoma uvusile ngo usivuselele ngo
No, relax, gents. Relax. You still have a semi-final. Then pass that stage, then go to the final, then we'll see. Let's not just...
No, because the
put pressure on
predictions.
them.
We are allowed to
I
predict.
know, but fit.
When the reason why you're not predicting the winners because you're not sure.
yeah
Of course, I'm not sure about them. I'm not sure
Kaizer
about
Chiefs,
them.
usure
Yes.
about my parades ethanda parades Tito
No, but they showed us. They showed us.
Basanga.
Oh, but whenever they reach the final, the semis, and then come to the final, Orlando Pirates will show you.
they are playing Sundowns masole se predictor leyo
Yeah.
they are playing Sundowns Sunday this coming Sunday by score final score
Final
Bedway
score.
leyo number 1 and number 2
Number one
clash
and number
biggest
two.
clash
Yeah, and it played it at Calabash FNP Stadium. So I don't think Pirates will win. Yeah, I don't think Pirates will win. If it happens, it will be a draw or a win for Sundowns.
a draw will work for the parades
A draw will work for Pirates, but a draw will also work for Sundowns because they are still extending their
either
points.
way but it's not as so if no loser 2 after be extend 1 point
Yeah,
parades win then might not really be over.
Nah.
Uvele evidweni wena sithi congratulations bathowitsha utshintsha iculo
No, I'm still maintaining that Sundowns is going to win the league without a
Okay.
doubt.
has won the league.
Has won the league.
Okay.
Has won the league. The race for me is just for formalities and then go to the CAF, qualify for the CAF. Otherwise, Sundowns is going to win the league. It's clear.
One
So,
question.
It's a draw or win for Sundowns.
What do you want to
I think it's chance for your redemption for Orlando Pirates
From the
after
4-1.
it's redemption. But we all know Sundowns is very strong, and most the players that were missing at back, Khuliso Motau, strong player.
Yeah.
So from now, Sundowns is gonna win the game and extend it to 19 points elite. You know, and
It's gonna
think
be
it's about
hard, harder, you know.
there will be 9 games left, ne? Or 8, 9 or 8, I'm not sure.
For Sundowns, I think it
Sundowns.
will be 9.
Yeah, 9 games left, 27 points to play for. Ulita on 19 points. Nah, come on, man. Also, the issue, FNB Stadium, it's going to play a huge role. 'Cause
Yeah.
if it be Scotini, the game, at least it be a pressure.
50-50 balance, yeah.
Now it's FNB. I'm going with Sundowns to win the game. I'm going with Sundowns to win the game. You know, you've got your Ribeiro who's chasing the Golden Boot.
Yeah.
You have your Peter Shalulile who's chasing a record till Kasebonga Nomvete. You've got your Ribeiro Naye who's trying to push to win another coach.
Secondly, 9 games, so it's a be 8.
He's a B8,
Yeah.
you know. Let's say Kato also is chasing another coach of the month. And we should give him the coach of the season as much as Efike Ale.
If you get
It's
it.
late.
Yeah, Efike late. Because now una 2 coach of the month award.
Yeah, two
Okay.
already.
Remember? So now there's chances I coach of the season go to figure go December in
Yeah.
South African football.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, this is for Sundowns to give it to Pirates, but I'm saying Sundowns is going to win. It might not be Isco is embarrassing like the last
Like the
game.
last game,
Loftus. You know, at least Nebala Elizabeth right. You know, some people are complaining about the ground. They say Loftus first felt and stuff like that, which is another thing that's been eating me, man, the past few days. In the stadiums, you understand? How can double Pukibala
Hey.
and have a game postponed?
Chiefs
No, it's
Already
Sundowns.
Sundowns,
Sundowns
yeah.
is Kukun.
cool.
Have a ground double booked.
Izawuthini ke ngoku ayikazodlala
Yeah, they'll find a gauge.
ayikachaza nochaza
Stellenbosch now, but they had to move them away from Cape Town. Bazodlala
Bazodlala
PE.
PE.
Yeah.
I think for a team like Sundowns, now it's a question mark Kubo or a challenge Kubo as a team to build their own stadium. Go back and revamp HMPG Stadium in Mamelodi. Have your own stadium.
I
You
don't
look,
need to have.
you look at Al Ahly with them. They building a stadium. Sundowns needs to have their own stadium now because I equal in a big team. You're playing a cup tournament, a cup game, and then the ground gets double booked.
Yeah.
And they understand. Now they need to show up and say, yeah, we're dominating on the field of play. Certain aspects as a football, we also need to dominate. They do have their own training facilities, their offices, their headquarters, which are in Clorkop. Now they need to have their own stadium. Because of Pelana Lendo, where they always having alternator with
Yeah, they're sharing with the
Blue Bulls.
Yeah,
And I say, yeah,
yeah.
president owns, I think it's 51% of Blue Bulls and stuff like that. But Sundowns needs to have their own stadium.
They need to have their own stadium. If you can check nje kwabona basokola because at Loftus you depend on Bulls bazidlala nini.
Yeah, I understand.
If the Bulls are playing, then you have to move to Lucas Moripe Stadium, and then now sibukiwe to under 17. Then you ask yourself, Okokuba, why a big team like Sundowns that is respected around the world and the continent as well, Africa. So it's something that it's not nice. It's not a good picture for Sundowns. And also, if you can check the fixtures abanazo up on March, I don't see space as a Kukuna United unless they shift the league game.
The league.
Because
so
also
they might drag the way in Nedbank most.
they might drag it to the month end of March. Because
Unless
there's-
by Tata one game by Pushele far back.
yeah.
Because it's Champions League.
Champions League is
There's Bafana
lento
Bafana.
ndifuna
Bafana
sidibane
Bafana
nayo
as
mna
well.
kulo tontoni kulo mist yezinto ezininzi le conjunction kuthiwe team A uzawube business Champions League team B uzawudlala ne-Kaizer
Nah,
Chiefs
they won't do that.
they won't do that because they want the cup.
bafuna Nedbank
They want it. That's the
Nedbank
money.
yephi ibalulekileyo Nedbank ne-CAF
Every cup is important.
Every cup
yeah
is
but
important.
enyanisweni masibe honest masingathethi loo nto yephi ibalulekileyo iNedbank ne-CAF
To who?
to i-Sundowns
Chief, every cup is important.
CAF is important, but if Cardoso loses this cup, the pressure will pile up. Because if Mangoba Mngqithi will get fired because he loses
Calling knockout.
knockout, then they want
The
the
same as
Nedbank.
happened, Luna.
They
Can
want
happen
the-
ngapha.
Yeah, they want the Nedbank.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, it makes sense.
But I think there will be a fixture man that they will move because also remember, in Nedbank now, finally needs to play before the league ends.
Yes.
Yeah, I understand. So that they know about who's going to go for a preliminary. As a CAF.
Which brings me to the question,
Yeah, I
Yobana.
understand.
If number one, which is Orlando Pirates, we are
Number one P Pareto.
Yo man, yo. If Sundowns,
Sure.
Idlala goes to the semis, Ibe Pirates, Igwi semis. Number 3 in number 3
Stellenbosch,
Siphumile. So which means okanye masithi kwi final kudlale I Pirates ne Kaizer Chiefs.
Sure.
They'll give it to the
Iwine.
semi-finalist as a sport. CAF. A Confederations Cup.
Also Chiefs there's a possibility.
Kaloku and the Pirates will be playing. If let's say Pirates goes
Already
to the
is in.
Yes.
So if they go all the way to a
Oh.
finally Champions League, Sundowns also is in the finally Champions League.
Yeah.
Or already Sundowns is going to Champions League by winning the league already.
Yes.
If Pirates goes and plays the finally Champions League, they already now.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
now the semi-finalist, they will play as a prelims to go for
Also
the
if not
Confederation.
dibana Sundowns ne Pirates.
Final.
I prelim is between Marumo Gallants and
It's
Chiefs.
a semi-finalist will go and play in and take one or semi-finalists they will go and play as a qualifier as a
So two.
prelims. Yeah.
Well, someone there's a possibility was for Nasreddin.
Yeah, there is a
possibility.
But he's winning it.
But as well, Dumza, if they go to
Napa, kukho Sundowns,
yes.
the Pirates, the Chiefs.
Yeah, I'm interested to know if Kaizer Chiefs didn't win this and it won by Mhlambi, Sundowns or Pirates, then
Nedbank.
yes, then we have number 3 with PSL. Who's going?
Okay, but senze ngohlobo.
Let's say it's the league stays like this.
Yeah, until the end.
Yes.
Remember-
Then the final is between Sundowns and Pirates. Either way,
Either way, they got
already
sebekhona
qualified.
bona.
And then you have a Stellenbosch on number 3.
Number 3.
Yeah.
Yes, then
Remember, Stellenbosch also now so sikwi is it semi quarterfinals, ne?
Yeah,
then the
quarterfinals,
quarterfinals
yeah.
again. Let's say now they do well.
Until the final.
We understand.
So what will happen?
So what will happen is Kaloko
but it's impossible for Stellenbosch to reach the final.
You never know.
Okay, wait, Mama.
You never know.
Okay,
You never know.
But as Danny,
As the semi-finalists, they will go and play in Antique. Is a prelims.
so by virtue of
By virtue,
Stellenbosch,
Pirates, the Sundowns going to the final.
if Stellenbosch is here to final now, so
Yeah, but it opens up ke ngoku.
as Isaiah now sayidlala.
So it's which is good for South African football to have more teams playing in continental competitions.
So let's say we have a possibility of 4 teams that can represent South Africa.
Yeah.
We CAF qualified.
Ah.
We CAF next year.
Yeah, next Champions
next
League
season.
and in Antique.
But let's give it to Nabi Moskanjalo.
That's what I'm saying. He needs to win.
If we win it in semis, why udlala final automatically?
He'll go. Can we win look?
Masita ka winanga ku final.
Based on if Pirates and Sundowns,
If udlala ne Pirates ku final wabethwa.
yeah.
Yeah.
Based
That's
on-
where my question is.
If
If Kaizer Chiefs,
Uzifunda kwezinto zasikolo. Zoba.
John, Pirates,
Yes.
it Chiefs go final in Nedbank.
sure.
Yes. Stellenbosch is doing well.
Stellenbosch
Stellenbosch will
is
finish on number 3 maybe.
number
Or
3.
Sekhukhune
Ne?
On number 3.
This is the final. Your Champions League.
Sure.
This is the final. Same teams. Finally, in Nedbank.
Yeah.
Pirates wins in Nedbank. Sundowns wins
League.
in Champions League.
Let's say Sundowns win the league.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they've already won.
Yeah.
So now can go. It's Pirates qualifier must as
Or
number
by
2
virtue.
with league.
Yes, because they are
Yes.
number 2.
Number 2
Yeah.
with league. Stellenbosch does well with CAF Confederations. Siya tekenela. We're not saying it's going to happen. So now izawubuya ke ngoku ize those abadlali kwi-semi-finals. They will now need to go and represent South Africa with Confederations Cup. Because you can't play both tournaments.
Yeah, of course.
Yabo.
We can play what?
You can't play CAF
CAF,
Champions League, the CAF
yeah,
Confederations at the same.
Also i-Stella sizawunyuka ke ngoku xa siyafika ku-final.
Yeah, but-
So dlala ku-CAF naso.
So like CAF Confederations Cup.
Confederations okanye ku-CAF le.
CAF
No,
Confederations.
not CAF Champions League.
No Champions League.
CAF Confed.
Abasayenzi ngela hlobo.
Automatic okay yima bra wami.
Abasayenzi ngela hlobo because back in the days what they used to do is like for instance udlala group stages.
Yeah.
Xa utyoke group stage uphuma number 2, number 3 ku group stages we would fall down to Confederations Cup back then.
Okay.
But ngoku into abayenzayo they have 2 groups, 4 teams. Then there's four groups, two. Then you dlala quarter final, semi final, final. Both ways benza njalo.
Okay.
Yeah, I understand. Ayisafanele hlobo laqala. Even nakwi Confederations Cup also if you did well Confederations Cup, you would go and play prelims as a Champions League. The next
Oh,
season.
that's what I'm asking.
Yeah, so by change the system yakho.
Oh.
Yeah, by change the system yakho.
Yeah,
So
ayajamba umuntu ufunda ku-SSS. So are we saying bana sesithethile mos nale nalena sesithethile noma nqoba mncedi sesithethile ngayo but ke an overall performance do you see Arrows being a dangerous how many games left for Arrows?
I think they 20 games.
There are 17 games
17
they've
games,
played
oh.
17.
No, they still have a chance.
Yeah, they still have
They
a
still have a
chance.
chance to do well. So
But khona fanele iphumile what la top 8.
yeah, ikhona zokuduka. Yeah, ikhona zokuduka.
Top 8 for MTN.
Yeah, lo fanele kube khona iphumayo la top 8 if inanseka thousand well.
Grand
In Chiefs.
I race lapha kwi top 8 from number 3 until number 8.
Because
Those
28 no 31.
Yes.
So if Stellenbosch is not better to Chiefs win, yet Iba from 8 yeah. Number 3.
That's where the race is it's at.
Chesa.
So the up kusuka number 3 and go down ngabona balwayo and you know abanye bafuna balwela
Opera yazi unyanisile because
yeah.
ku 28, ku 29, ku 30, ku 31.
Exactly.
So all Kaizer Chiefs and it's in a game in hand the Chiefs. If the Chiefs
I don't even know which team that has a game in hand now.
in 20 games the Chiefs, TS Galaxy na 21, Amazulu na 21.
Okay.
And bango enye 29 enye 30. So it Chiefs nje being 28 with like game in hand. If idlalile nayo thola 21 ya wina, iyahamba iyolala
32.
iyolala ku number.
Koma badlala nabani the next game.
Badlala ne Cape Town City.
Yeah.
Oh, isuka Cape Town City.
Khange baje.
Cape Town City ku10.
Khange baje na.
Bibatshila ngokuya. Uwina igame ezithi qha nje.
Okay.
Isoweto Giants.
It's fine. It's fine.
Ngokungaperform grand.
As long as BK Chiefs ba grand. The Pirates.
No. But Cape Town City is struggling this
Iya wasiyadlala ngolesithathu
no.
lo.
They're struggling, bro.
Dlala ngolesta.
Lwesithathu 12.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yephi winayo?
Citizen.
Obvious. Qondile. Happy. Uthi kuzakwenzeka ntoni ku?
Cape Town City dlala ndo kule weekend?
No ngolesithathu.
Dlala Chiefs.
Dlala
Also,
Chiefs.
yeah.
I think Kaizer Chiefs is standing a good chance there.
Yeah, and be winning.
I think
back
they're
to back
standing
wins ezintathu.
Yeah. Yeah.
About to learn
But we know Kaizer Chiefs that
Umgangatho uzakwehla.
bro,
inconsistent.
they are inconsistent. They like to balance. They like to win, lose, draw, win, lose, draw. They like this balance of football. It's a win and lose and draw. So Kaizer Chiefs is not consistent. They cannot give you 3 winning.
Bina wina
streak.
ngolesithathu
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs. Uzabe kwi-tie nazo zonke ezi5 bendizibekile.
Yes.
points
Zonke ezi coaches i5 uzabe
Point.
kwi-tie nazo.
in terms of winning games.
Yes. And if uwine elandelayo iphelile debate. Iphelile debate. Uba unosisa ku final
Yeah.
okanye awine the next 5 games and win just 5 more games. Ay bra. We are done.
The debate
cooking.
that we are talking about now, it doesn't matter. What really Kaizer Chiefs fans want? It's a cup.
Oh,
Not the performance, who did what. Because the Steve Kompelas, they reached the finals, but they never won. So, what they want now, Abalandel Kaizer Chiefs, it's a cup. Whether it's a Nedbank, whether it's MTN, whether it's Carling, they want a cup.
But
Because the drought, it's been overdue.
but they've been winning cups, most.
Legends Cup. Legends.
They've Makufe.
Nah.
Sometimes it wants to be a seabed hill, but
You understand? So they should be happy.
I know.
They've got 2 trophies this
Come on,
season.
gents. We're not
The
playing
trophy Planga. The trophy enamel. So, so the silver must not in that bank.
Nedbank.
Yeah.
And then Epe gold. Yo, I welcome.
Work out.
Yes.
And the crazy part, this season is going to the end. We've never seen the trophy.
Of what?
Between
Yeah, of course.
We. Oh.
The prize is well-
it's South African football in his manga, man.
We've never seen.
The games is postponed. This stadium.
Asayenzo kanye.
Now you're playing. This season, it's going to the end. You don't know what the trophy looks like.
Bafuna big reveal in final matches and
Why?
And the
The prize money.
the prize money.
The prize money also.
Yeah, the prize money.
Money in
as well.
Ghana.
Abaya,
We don't
asiyazi.
know it. It was 15 million for DStv.
for DStv.
We don't know what
But
the prize
you
money.
won't invest money in Ghana.
Is it 3 seasons? 19, eh? I think it's 3 seasons, 90 million or something.
Yeah, but there's a lot of money.
There's a lot of money
No,
there.
DStv.
I'm not under-
How we know itime one yet yaphela.
I think that's why they don't want to reveal the trophy because they know where the trophy is going.
Also bazathatha unansi kumutsa becaleni.
Ba.
No.
Ba-
Yeah.
Senze njani ke sekunika imali.
And I'm saying if the other team was on top, we would know how much is if a prize money. We would know what the trophy looks like.
Tatabo ephethe
And does?
Wena na ukuthiya ufuna nathi because
I don't know.
uzawuthi
But I'm just saying.
uyahappy.
But I mean, I'm just saying, like, we might take it lightly, you know, we might take
Yeah,
it lightly,
yeah,
jokingly,
yeah.
but it's something that's nowhere in the world. Imagine like the Club World Cup that's coming up. It's starting now in July. A trophy abayaz.
We never saw the trophy.
Don't know the prize money.
money.
But Amanodlali Club World Cup will tell
Yeah,
you.
we'll tell you after the
Uzobona
final.
phambili.
Yeah.
You understand? There's certain things. Now I feel like as much as we're saying we have the best league in the continent, but it's the small things.
But this isn't the worst.
This is it.
explosive.
And there were a lot
Royal
of things,
AM.
You know?
Stadiums, postponements. You
see?
Yeah, ngathi kuningi this season.
No, there's a lot,
Yeah.
bro. The saga of a Royal AM.
The soccer gano mnansika ka Saleng.
Saleng as well. Pirates, that's a club issue. But you can check Ichipa United playing against Magesi FC. The match was postponed when it was stopped because of
Load
load
shedding.
shedding. It was finished on the next day. The match between SuperSport and Golden Arrows that was stopped still not played today. We don't know the reason why they are not playing in the next day.
Ayikaphinde yadlala ngoku.
No.
You wathi ushintshwe no coach. You ayisengxakini Pirates.
So there's a lot of things that happened this season, bro.
Yeah.
That,
It's a season to. I don't want to say to forget, but for me, I feel like it's a season to erase the questions.
a lot of
You know,
questions.
it
bro.
raises a lot of
Lot of
questions
questions,
about what's really happening with South African football. As much as we're saying, wow, yeah, we're the best,
Yeah.
but from now, there's certain things I feel like we just need to forget about them and make sure come the next season we do better.
And
Like,
and
let's do
it
better.
happened on Atomza on under a new NEC that was newly elected kule season. Maybe they will sit down and get a review, see where we get it wrong, where we get it right. But there were a lot of things this season, bro. This postponement of the games, game in hand is Nancy.
Yo.
So there's a lot. Sundowns play, Orlando Pirates playing more home games. Now they have to play more away games. So you just ask yourself,
Pirates has played only 17 games.
Yeah, but most of them they played at home.
Ukuve when people on social media are talking about this and this is a guy. Check which teams have played the same number of games.
Hey, Brian, the Arrows now has played only 17 games. And
The other one played 21. The others played 20. So
Yo, Super Sport idlale 20, what 13?
Yeah, things are not happening for Coach Kevin this season.
Royal AM idlale 11 yona.
Is it corner Royal AM?
auction.
Since in go fan, so tenga ne Royal AM Friday.
Mastel Nantsika. Bam.
But the thing of Royal AM, gents, I think not Doomsa it's going to be the cheapest status, but that will be a trap to buy that team. Because if you can check Amatyala Wabo, it's something that is over 50 million.
Why Nantsika Jangai? Akanokwazi akavumelekanga uthenga uMotsepe.
No.
Akavumelekanga.
Can own two teams.
Motsepe is not even in the PSL now, it's just his son, because we also serving the CAF. So
Whereas kaloku phinde ne ise national first division.
yeah.
Ibhayithiwe ngaye.
Yeah.
Nale isemve before yona. Ngabe uyayibaqa.
But the issue with Royal AM, they've played 11 games. I think they're on 7 points. How many points?
I think 7, 8.
7 or 8 points.
Yeah, I think so.
Ne?
Yeah, 8
So
points.
now you're buying a team that's there.
Yeah.
It's ongene ne relegation kanje. But yeah, in sure. Now you buy the team.
Yeah, but isawudlala mos.
Yeah, they will play the games, but I'm telling you, they will struggle.
Yeah. And
They will struggle.
check the time. It's March now.
It's March now. Any games abazazidlala.
Yeah, but yabona ba
Bona
even
bemele
though
benze le festival.
iMagesi idlale 21 has only won 4.
Yeah.
Yona Royal AM has won 1.
Yeah.
It didn't win 5 more kwezi games azininzi zadlala.
But now the issue
He
comes
played only
if
11
fixtures.
games.
How do they fixture? Games is a Royal AM
Up until May.
up until May.
Yeah.
Now when you want to come in and buy the team,
Abanokwazi uthatha free agents ndondondondon bangeze. Because kanga bakwazi sign ku window.
they should have just disbanded a Royal AM from the league.
That's the only.
Because whoever's
they
buying that team is going to struggle.
Ngofuneka change negama lo. Awunoyithiya ngaba previous owners.
No, like we struggle sabo
For
with
now,
the games.
it can remain as a Royal AM.
Royal AM.
Yeah. but
The struggle
next
will be
season,
playing the games.
Yeah.
That's the only
You
struggle.
have to play Monday.
They will have to play Monday,
And
Wednesday,
abanazi
Saturday.
players
Yeah.
enough.
Yeah, yeah,
They don't have
imagine
a
playing.
full squad.
You haven't played since December. Now you have to
lose
play
games.
Monday, Wednesday,
Friday,
Friday,
weekend.
Sunday,
Sunday, Monday,
Tuesday.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand to catch up with new teams.
Yeah.
And the other team that are playing with, they also have their programs as well.
Yeah, I
Like
understand.
Orlando Pirates, they are busy in the CAF Champions League.
Yeah.
They are busy in the
So
Nedbank.
funeka still now.
Yeah, well, you have to play with Sundowns. That is also busy now. You're Continental.
The easiest way they should have just said, "I need a Pumelikin."
Exactly.
Closing
go
remarks.
to
Closing
NF
remarks. We are close to an hour like that.
Ne?
Yeah.
Closing remarks. Wow. Besides the issues that are happening with South African football, big ups to Coach Molefi Ntseki.
Oh,
you know,
yeah.
Yes,
for his
yes,
team
yes.
beating Egypt away from home. Now they go to the next round. I'm not sure if it's Malawi or
they're
Yeah,
playing
Malawi,
against
they're playing
Malawi.
Malawi.
yeah, play against Malawi in the next round. And I looked at the team. Neo Mahema, wow.
Yeah.
Neo Mahema. He led the team proper. And I think also he's raising his hand to Coach Cardoso to say, hey, I can still play, my guy.
Yeah.
You know, I can still play.
So he under don't lay idlala iNanseki 10.
No, it's not
a
under.
senior
It's a
team.
senior team.
But the players that are playing at home.
Yeah. It's like sort of a league, local
Yeah.
in terms of the continent.
Oh.
Now Egypt select players ayo kwi-league
Esidlala
yabo esidlala kwi-league.
Oh, but kuchinje coach.
But it's a fringe players.
Yeah,
you
bo.
can say. It's the players that are not getting much game time from their
On
clubs. Yeah.
So big ups to Unseki, is doing well. Big games coming up this weekend. I understand.
Yeah.
And like I said last week, but I'm just happy seeing these young boys,
Yeah.
pulling through
Yeah.
in the league, playing very well. I'm waiting to see what Emil is going to do against Chiefs.
Eish.
The youngsters there, Abumtu, Precaro, Ovet Boy, Amato, I just
Bogas now.
Bogazi, who's this other
Rosie.
one? Rosie.
Yeah.
I'm happy. I'm a 2000. They're not scared. They're not scared. I just wish we don't lose him through his system. Engabaoi. So big ups also to Lyle Foster for playing well over the weekend with the FIFA World Cup qualifiers coming, against Benin and Lesotho. We're just waiting on. Also, the boy Samkelo Kabini moving to Norway from TS Galaxy.
Yeah.
Also being selected to a preliminary team, a national team. It goes to show, but these boys are doing well, man. They're doing well. Let's just wait and see. Utahuko, I announce the final team. Kuba Sianjani. I understand. So yeah, man.
So those were your closing remarks. Closing remarks.
For me, pick up to Jose Rivero, Orlando Pirates, as Dooms as Chilo Gogba is busy promoting a lot of young players with Orlando Pirates. This is the Pirates that we know, that used to produce players like Leremi, Chisboy, Walaza, Tugu Makanya, all of those players. But the issue that I have, the young players cannot win you the league. You just they will give you cups. They will go to the finals, but it's difficult for them to carry that responsibility, to carry the team for 30 games. So hence you see the relay coming up and going down. So even the likes of Chenene, Gift Lerim at the time, or Cheeseboy, they never won the league, but they played well. So that's the problem that I have with the coaches. Even that Ajax Cape Town, we saw a lot of young stars during the likes of the era of Userero, but they never won the league. They almost, but the pressure is too much. So I think Jose is doing well, but at the same time, I'm still a bit don't know Gogba and Zautinga, because these young stars, even Mangoba Mnete said to Kaizer Chiefs that you cannot rely on young stars. Maybe you can mix it, but for now it just confirms that the league is still too far for Orlando Pirates. I'm done.
This has been the Nightful Podcast. Obviously, Andy Veli, but yeah, man. If you watched until here, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for working with us. We have 2 more episodes, and then we look for a trouble to spice things up. And so it's not the end of the road. We are working on something. This is Siakuka, not Kuletutala.
This is cocoon.
Yeah. Hey.
Hey. We're cooking.
Which team do you think can take
There's only one option.
Richards Bay?
Nah, there's only one option.
Which one? Serious?
Oh, cheaper.
Yeah.
But coach was a cheap whopper.
Tipus.
No, it's
September.
Yeah.
And he's not doing well. He's not doing well. If you remember, December they were in position 3 or 4. Now they're probably sitting at number 9. Yeah.
Yeah, but 9.
Closing with December. The last game, December, they were in the top 4.
Yeah.
But Mok and Mamila is there, so I don't think Siema will work with Mok and Mamila.
Yeah.
So I don't see him coming to Chippa United.
Why coach Richards Bay?
What's this guy's name? It's not Govender, man. I'm just forgetting his name. But he's always been the assistant coach.
Brendan Trout.
Bragizus Uppington.
So up in Brandon.
Is it Uppington? He was an assistant coach, man. The guy. He was an assistant coach. He's an interim coach. Yeah, maybe you might go to Richards Bay because they don't have like
Yeah, maybe.
a coach.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I also don't understand why would you let go a coach that's taken the team to a top 5
Yeah.
the league.
And
You know,
they are
they're doing well.
When
with
they start to play,
Nedbank,
almost grand.
they're playing well. You know,
But they've been saying that it's not based on results because if you can check, if you can fire a coach with those stats.
Yeah.
It's based
with
on
the
what?
position. For sure, it's personal things between them and coach. It can't be results. It's like Kukuna United. You cannot fire a coach because you are number 3.
Oh, there, usebenzile man, Atazwane.
Yeah, big ups
Usebenzile
big
Atazwane.
ups to
He's cooking
Mangete.
there.
Big ups to Mangete. You know.
And bandika mna bantu abenza into ezinjeya zayo esibeyazisi zakhe.
How?
Ujole nomntana, umntana abe half kuwe. Xa nohlukene, zonke ezanto ubusithi lo mntana makazenze kuwe, uzenza ku boyfriend yakhe entsha. Ubona ba wenza yonke lanto ubucabanela kuwe. Andika umuntu onjeyana.
No, but also, it's the pressure. You know,
Or
it's
the pressure is less.
The pressure is less.
Hence,
there.
no Nantsika, no Bini, bekwazi uthatha amazulu from 12 babe number 2.
To Champions League.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The
the
pressure,
pressure.
bruh.
The pressure.
Yeah.
Not there was less pressure ku Middendorp naye wayithatha ku 12 Chiefs wayibeka ku 1.
But that's Middendorp.
Yeah.
He's doing things the Middendorp way.
Yeah.
You understand? I don't know if you've heard. There was time where I feel like he's one of the best defenders in the league, Roshan Totley, where he felt he's not good enough at Cape Town Spurs.
Yeah.
Oh.
You understand? So Middendorp is your typical German type of coach.
Yeah.
You understand? You look at who's this guy that's at Barcelona, Hansen Flick.
Yeah. Flick.
The rules that he has for his players, they no longer go to games wearing impahla zabo. The way he staffs the team. He has certain rules, yeah, I understand. So that's how the Germans work. But for Atazwane, he's really doing well for Amazon. Number 6, ne? Number 6.
Yeah.
And they're playing very well. I understand.
Yeah.
So
It will be great to see Amazulu finishing above Kaizer Chiefs. That will be another thing for the season.
and then it raises question marks about
Exactly.
why
Should
Singambuyisile
Amazulu
uMangweni.
finish at
Uzaphinda
position 5?
isizando nje. Okay ke umbone lo mntana ba. Wenza isizando wena manje umthathe back baby.
Akuphinde.
Akuphinde. Ubone ba hey, back to back lose ngoku 5. At least lena ithi City win, ithi draw, ithi lose. City win, City draw, City lose.
Yeah.
Le ikhoyo umpheki.
Yeah.
Lo umphekwa xa enophinda buye yuwa kaloku nimlibele msindo sasinawo for Atazwane.
Anna patience, man. Anna
don't have
patience.
patience.
I feel like last season, supporters the Chiefs. I don't know if they've changed mentality yabo in terms of supporting the team.
Yeah.
Because they're no longer fighting. Yeah, they might fight even on social media. The way they fight on social media,
Yeah,
it's
they-
no
they-
longer
they-
about
no.
Napi must go. What. They would rather go pick something from another team and then they make it something. Ibe yiyo i-debate okugezelwana ngayo. It's no longer about coach that we have. Yeah, simthembanga kwathini.
I think we see man, we the hope is there now. Akufani naqala.
Let's hope, James.
It's qala ngoku Johnson. Bungena unomdla uyibukela iChiefs. Abamba finish ku 10.
But just look at go many players that were there under Johnson ezingekhoyo.
So tin.
No, I'm just asking. I'm not saying anything.
But it will take another time. But I always feel, I know this is controversial, but our black guys, they are not fully trusted or fully supported on our teams.
Yo, dance gone.
That's a fact.
Black is a black
Yeah.
London.
Mangoba.
Siema gone. It's
Yeah.
a black London. Ngoba Mngqithi naye was a black gone.
Yes.
Rulani Mokoena was black naye gone.
It's easy to say to our guys, take your bag and go. But to a team like bazawuhlala no coach, they will stay with a white guy. I'm sorry about bangathi I'm racist, but this has been the PSL that we've been watching all over the years. They are given a chance. They are given many chances. But when it comes to us, bro, it's less. People, they want results now on us. As if we have magics or what. But this is what it is, bro.
I feel like umangethi against the well so that he can come back.
No,
Athetha kakhulu.
I don't think you'll come back anytime soon.
Makabuye nithetha kakhulu. Nifuna
Right,
neBarcelona.
uNasadine.
Nifuna neBarcelona. At least mangethe when he's back.
Yo, winner 1-0 ufuna Barcelona.
No, I love Kaizer Chiefs supporters. You. I love Kaizer Chiefs supporters. You.
Okay, I think yeah, man, this has been the Nightfall podcast. Episode 8 lo.
Episode 8.
Okay, and then by the time we shoot episode 9, kobe kucace icala amalunga neKaizer Chiefs. Kucace icala na Sundowns nePirates.
Yeah.
So at least the big three is a big conversation. Yeah, next week.
Who's getting relegated?
I guess le.
It's obvious. We really am, bro. The Magpies are just fighting for playoffs.
Oh, by coach Marcus.
Oh, Takama.
OTG.
Rabatol.
Oh yeah, magani good chance, man.
Yeah, he's fighting for playoffs. Yeah.
This has been the Nightfall podcast, sports edition. Yo, we are out.
This podcast has been proudly brought to you by Electronic Solutions, recorded at the Block Studios. And if you want to use our facilities, get in touch with us on all our social media platforms, Electronic Solutions. Email us admin@leptronicsol.com.